Alright guys, this is a review of the Eisentech door seals for the BMW E28. I think most of these are either hard to find, I think they're NLA, or either super expensive, but let me show you the problem that I have. So as you can see, my door seal here has been peeling apart. It doesn't quite want to stick anymore. It doesn't line up at all. See, I'm missing a lot of the seal here. So the Eisentech, I bought a set of 4 of these on eBay for not too much money, maybe like $75 or something. Future me put the price here. But I'm going to pull my old ones out. This comes with a full set of 4. It's 2 identical ones because the front passenger and the rear driver are the same. And then the same thing for the driver and the rear passenger. So let's unbox these, throw one on, and see how we feel. I mean, off the rip, these look pretty good. And honestly, for the price, my expectations here are low, but hopeful. So this should be for the passenger rear or driver's front. The join marks at the corners, not perfect, but that's fine. I'm not going for perfection. Let's pull the old one out, put this in. I do think this needs to be trimmed also. Let's see. This is the old one, as you can see, peeling apart, busted. This is somehow longer than the rest. I don't know if it got heating up or what, but I've tried to limp this along to no avail. There we have it, final fit. Tucks in nice. See a nice seal there? These are great. I'm gonna do the rest, but highly recommend it. These are hard to find, and this is a really nice suitable replacement for $0. It's not perfect, but for the money, it's pretty close.